Okay, I'm going to compare my Tokyo Marui FAMAS SV1 against the Broxa from Aftermath. My Tokyo Marui shoots about 280 foot per second. My Broxa shoots about 400 foot per second. What I'm going to do is I'm going to line up a target about 60 feet away from these guns and brace the guns down and shoot them and see what kind of shot grouping I can get. So the Tokyo Marui is pretty accurate. I've played games where people are hidden behind cover and I've been able to hit them in the arm or the foot from a long ways away. You can't really do that with the Aftermath. I do like the Aftermath better, though. It has this feature where if you shoot at someone from a long ways away and your shot's accurate enough, you can hit them. With the Tokyo Marui, what happens is they will hear you shooting at them and jump out of the way before the bullets even reach them. Here's another reason why I like the Aftermath. Okay, so I found an instance where the Aftermath outperforms Tokyo Marui. Off in the distance here, you can see this little log right there, and up above it there's a little branch that's blocking my shots. I'll show you with the Tokyo Marui. This one's a little bit more accurate. Alright, here we go, Tokyo Marui. And that branch is right in the way. It's blocking all my shots. So I know what some of you are thinking. You know, I've got a pretty old Tokyo Marui here and a brand new Aftermath. So really the test isn't all that fair. Now if you want to gain some respect back for Tokyo Marui, just please send me all your brand new Tokyo Maruis and I'll gladly test them out for you. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you next time.